Hello, my name is Lisa Sled. Thank you for inviting us into your classroom. I'm here today to introduce myself and our psychological services here on Foothill campus. I'm one of the counselors at Psychological Services, and I've been working here for 4.5 years. I absolutely love working with our students, and I want to make sure that all students on our campus are aware of us and our activities. I also want to present to you one of our student wellness ambassadors. Jacky is one of 7. And their job is to be the arm of psychological services out amongst the students to help do anti-stigma campaigns. We are coordinating a lot of different events, and our ambassadors are here in the Foothill community to help you with any issues that you may experience and wanting to know more about psychological services. They are here to support you as well as us. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Jacky. Jacky, please introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jacky, and I'm one of the student ambassadors, as Lisa mentioned. I wanted to be a wellness ambassador because I wanted to help spread the mission of hope, and also make sure that students are aware that the wellness services and psychological services are on campus and that we are available for whenever you need it. And also, I also have experience with mental health, and so I wanted to be able to bring about change to the campus community and know that students can have someone to turn to when they have struggles.
Thank you so much, Jacky. So I'm going to go through now and share my screen and just do a brief presentation of the types of services that we offer. Okay, so here we go. This is our team currently. We have myself, of course, in the corner. We have Alexis Donato in the middle, one of our counselors. We have Patricia Meza-Parada, who is the administrative assistant for us, who is our first point of contact typically in making appointments. Jenny McGrath, another therapist, and Clifton Derbing. And these are all of our ambassadors. You'll notice Jacky there and myself smiling in the middle. I want to just talk briefly about our mission. What do we do at Psychological Services? Essentially, our job is to offer all of our students a space. It's confidential, it's non-judgmental, and we are here to help, typically with just about anything that you may be coping with in college, and in particular coping with right now during this very strange time on our planet. We are all licensed professionals, and here are some of the types of issues that we help work with, but it's not limited to this list. We have a lot of students who are experiencing stress, depression, anxiety, a lot of work with academic pressure. Sometimes people are feeling things like test anxiety, and we can help with that. Lots of family issues, a lot of loneliness right now, given everything that's going on in the world, issues with friendships and or close relationships and or roommates, and then sometimes cultural adjustments for students, for example, our international students who come from all over the world to be here with us at Foothill. So to let you know our summer hours are a little bit different, but Monday to Thursday, we're open 8 to 5 during the regular school year, and Fridays 8 to 3. We also have drop-in appointments. Those are brief, usually about 20-minute appointments, just if you have an urgent need or something you would like to check in with somebody about. We also use these because we sometimes do get a wait list going, but we always have this availability. Every day of the week, there's somebody available for 1 hour from 12 to 1. Monday to Friday. And those are opportunities to be seen quickly, perhaps just a one-time thing, or else to get you set up with counseling or outside resources. The way that you make an appointment, you can find all of this on our website, but there are 2 different options. One is that you can call Patricia Meza-Parada, who I introduced previously, and her number is listed here. You might also go through my portal and request an appointment. And you essentially just go onto your student portal. You'll see that there's a Psych Services app, and you can click on forms, and there are just 2 forms to fill out, one that tells us about you and your contact information, and the second one that tells us a little bit about why you would be seeking a counseling appointment so that we know how best to serve you. One of the most important things in filling out this paperwork is letting us know when you're available so that we can match you to a counselor who has availability in a time slot that works for you. Our virtual counseling appointments, we are completely present still despite the fact that we're all homebound. The one thing that we suggest is that you try to have a private space if you're able. something quiet. We've had students even talk to us from their cars or while walking on the street if they don't have the privacy at home. Consider your background, make sure you've got some kind of Wi-Fi connection. We can also do these appointments by phone if necessary. And you just need to let us know where you are, and if there's any issue where you're feeling unsafe or uncomfortable while we're talking, please let us know about that too. So know that we are here for you. The actual services that we offer include virtual services for all of our students. The counseling is confidential. You get up to 8 sessions per academic year. And what that means, of course, is starting in the end of September through June, the end of June, you have up to 8 sessions, which can be used sometimes back to back, 8 in a row. Sometimes people like to scatter them throughout the academic year. So that's something that you work out with your counselor. We do, as I mentioned before, have our drop-ins available daily from 12 to 1. We offer a class that may be of interest to you at some point in your Foothill career, which is a 3-quarter credit unit transferable to CSUs. It's called Counseling 72, and it's a class on stress, wellness, and coping. With myself and my colleagues, we alternate teaching that class. We are promoting a lot of wellness events, and this includes working with our ambassadors. Please stay tuned on our website. We have a mental health awareness week at least once a year. We have all kinds of different ways to get involved, even though we're virtual now, and to receive support and be part of the community. And one of the things that we're implementing this year is weekly Let's Chat. This is not a therapy group, but rather just a place where students can gather, talk a little bit about what's going on for themselves. It can be anonymous, or you can actually show yourself. And the goal really here is to just create some sort of sense of community during this rough time, and to be able to share some of our experiences with you. So thank you so much for having us here today. We appreciate the opportunity to present our services to you. If you have any questions, please go onto our website, and you'll see on there as well, there's a Foothill email. If you'd like to get in touch with Jacky or any of our ambassadors, you may also email the general email number for psychological services on the website, and we will pass along your messages to the ambassadors. Thank you so much, and have a great start to your Foothill career.